TradingView's multi-condition alerts give traders a more precise way to manage notifications without needing PineScript or external tools. Instead of creating separate alerts for every signal, you can now combine conditions directly inside the alert creation panel. That means price levels, indicator values, drawing interactions, and other chart-based signals can work together inside one alert, helping you filter out noise and focus on setups that meet more specific criteria. In practice, this means you can monitor several criteria at once. For example, you can set an alert to trigger only when price breaks above a defined level, the RSI crosses above a chosen threshold, and a trend line drawn on the chart is touched. These conditions work together, filtering out noise and alerting you only when meaningful alignment occurs across tools you already use in your analysis. To access this, open the regular alert creation window, and you'll notice an additional option labeled Add Condition. Each condition you define appears as a small button within the dialog, showing a brief summary of what it represents. You can add up to 5 of these conditions and edit or remove them individually without rewriting the alert. This makes it practical for refining your signals as market dynamics change. Every condition you create is built on elements that exist on your chart, so if you want to include an indicator or drawing in the logic, it must already be active on your layout. Once your conditions are set, you choose how frequently the alert should trigger, assign your preferred notification type, and confirm. From that point, the system continuously checks all defined conditions and only fires when they collectively meet your criteria. The multi-condition structure helps traders move from simple one-dimensional alerts toward more intelligent monitoring. It's particularly useful when you want confirmation across multiple forms of analysis. For instance, combining a price breakout with a momentum shift or volume confirmation. It gives greater control over when alerts activate, improving both precision and timing. Ultimately, multi-condition alerts streamline the decision-making process. Instead of juggling separate notifications for each indicator or drawing, you can build logical relationships between them and respond only to setups that genuinely fit your strategy. It's a practical addition that enhances the alerting workflow, allowing you to stay focused on trades that matter most.